What's up, friends? Welcome to RKFA. First off, thank you so much for the amazing support to my channel. It really means the world, guys. Today we are with Heroes on the Water Coastal Bend chapter at our monthly event. We couldn't have made this happen without our great administration, our volunteers, and of course, our heroes and their families. Thank you to Ingleside Beach Club for letting us use your facility. It really makes everything a whole lot easier. Great parking, great area. And if you guys know any veterans or first responders in need of therapy, please tell them about us. Heroes on the Water, Coastal Bend chapter. If you guys aren't from around this area, Corpus Christi area, there's chapters all over the U.S. Just go to heroesonthewater.org and look for your local chapter. All right, tight lines, y'all.